You know, one of the hardest things I've found with vlogging is actually vlogging. Having the content and, you know, having enough going on in my life, because it's honestly not that interesting, but having enough that I can create continuous content upload on a regular basis that keeps, you know, everybody interested and coming back to see what's next. So that's all going to change now, because we are now on season 2. We've left season 1 behind. As you can see, a lot of things have changed. We've moved. We got a new cast member. Just kidding. We got a new baby. That is Elijah. And we just got a lot more going on. We have more time because football is done, sadly. But Mr. Champ here won Offensive Player of the Year. And both teams, Joel's team won the city title. Congrats to the Riders, and the Eskimos were undefeated again. Tonight we are going to have the very first episode of the season. Oh.
Are you talking, Missy?
What's that?
What's that?
We're going to have the first episode of the season, which is going to be Project Winter Wonderland for Christmas. We are going to decorate everything for Christmas. Let's get turned around here. And as you can see, we got the tree going on here. We got kind of a mess of everything being moved around. Got some stuff down here. And we are going to get completely set up for Christmas. So let's take a break here. Have some supper, and we'll be back. What's up, everybody? We're just waiting on Joelle. Once we get her, we'll rip home, and then I will jump into this vlog. Tonight we got a special night. We're gonna be doing the Christmas decorations, and we'll call this vlog Season 2, Episode 1, Project Christmas Wonderland. Welcome to Season 2! Oh, that's true. Say hi. What's up?
Sleeping.
So there's the tree we're going to be decorating tonight. Sorry, monkey. And we got all the Christmas ornaments out. Got the tree, should be set by now. Got lights there. Jenna picked out a bunch of color coordinated ornaments. So now I'm gonna have a nap.
Ditto.
Ditto? No, just me. You're not invited to the nap. Don't judge. See you on the flip side.
Bye.
Let's not see you on the flip side, man. So me and Lyric just hung up some lights. Show everybody the lights, what? We're out here in our socks. This is Project Christmas Wonderland. So now we just gotta, I kind of flubbed up. I put it way over there for the cord. So we gotta run the extension cord all the way from here over to there. And we'll get this lit up. It's not the prettiest little design, but it works, right, bud?
Yep.
Get this going over here. Get it around our little chairs here. This is kind of where I hang out sometimes. gorgeous weather right now too for winter. Tight bike tire here. I'm gonna end up using this extension cord that I got as well. Do you got enough room? You can go on the other side of me. So I'm gonna end up using this extension cord too. Get this plugged in.
Already in the day.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So now that we got that rocking and rolling, we'll take another break here, and we'll take a break here, have some supper, and then we'll tune back in when we're gonna do the tree, and hopefully that turns out all right. Later. Do a little dance. So we got the lights on, Lyric helped me.
Yeah.
Now we are putting up some of the ornaments.
Where should I put this one?
I don't know.
I will put it.
What do you think, Joe?
It's really pretty.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
In old world Germany, the last decoration placed on a Christmas tree was always a pickle, carefully hidden deep in the boughs. Legends had it that the observant child who found it Christmas Day was blessed of a year of good furniture and a special gift. Hey guys, we made our own snow globes today, and here's Jenna's, and there's Lyric's, and then we're gonna put this glitter in some of them. We get to pick our own glitter out of these ones. And then we're gonna put some water and then some baby oil on it.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. That finger sounds
Are we ready to show them the final product?
Yep.
What do you guys think?
Really pretty.
Looks really pretty. Let's blur it up. Blur it up. And the reveal. You guys did a great job.
Now we get to clean up all the glitter.
If that's even possible.
Well, can't really pick it up on the camera, but it is everywhere. Okay, so it's time to close out the vlog. We have finished the tree and we're going to clean up the mess that is left. Okay, say bye.